So one characteristic of mixtures is that they can be separated into their components by taking advantage of physical properties. So one example of such a separation is distillation. So in a distillation, we're taking advantage of differences in boiling points. So here we can have a mixture of liquids with different boiling points, and we heat them up, and the one with the lower boiling point will vaporize. It will undergo a physical change into the gas state sooner than the other. And so we can get one into the gas state. We run it through this condenser, which cools it down and causes it to become a liquid again. And in this way, we can separate the one with the higher boiling point from one with the lower boiling point. It's a physical changes only. The substances do not get destroyed. We're just able to separate them. Another example is filtration. This actually occurs in your kitchen if you make coffee or if you boil vegetables or spaghetti and then put it in a colander. You're filtering. So here we have a solid substance in a liquid, and we're pouring it through a piece of filter paper. The paper, like a coffee filter, allows liquid to go through but catches the solids. And so we're separating the mixture based on differences in the physical state of the components.